Turtle! Hello! Pwede ka mag-throw ng coin? Bawal. Eh, ba't yun? Let's go over here. We're in a restaurant. Some fishes. Then, the turtle! Oh my god. No, don't throw. Say hi. 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 Hello. Okay, please move, turtle. Hello. Hello, turtle. Binibidyo mo ga? Oo. Yun, blackfish! Where? Yun! Blackfish. Oh! That little blackfish right there. Blackfish is moving. Oh my god, the turtle. Hello, little turtle. Are you safe in there? We're in the restaurant full of animals. Sea animals, but not sharks and urchins. Oh my. Let's get a closer look of the turtle. Let's go.
Akala ko siya.
Swimming fish. Oh. Dito tayo, kuya. A little closely at the turtle. Isasend mo sa Facebook? Please, isend mo. Oh, God. Oh, Kuya, swimming na siya. He is gonna swim. Nag-dip siya sa water. Uminom. Oh no, what's gonna happen? Oh, no. Uminom lang siya, di ba? He's looking at us. Ha, nakatingin sa'yo. Ha. Can you hide in the shell, please? Come on, swim. Scared lang. Swim. Can you swim? Oh. Kuya, sama ng tingin sa iyo. Oh, ba. Why is the turtle not swimming? Mere white fish! His head! Oh God! Hindi nakatingin sa isda? I think he's gonna eat fish. Malaki. But the small fish are over there.
Let's take a look.
Why is he not swimming? Kuya! Kuya! Kuya!
Ay, hirap tumakas.
Wag. There's spider webs in your hand.
Hello to the future!
Hello to the future. I love the turtle. What's your
I love-
favorite, fish or turtle?
The fish and the turtle.
Oh, all of them. I like the turtle. So cute.
Pero white fish.
I know.
Pero mas ma-white.
Okay.